yung Duterte supporter na continue supporting their leadership and believing them. So this song is really amazing, and I want, and hopefully na ito yung gamitin sa mga iba dyan to share this song because it's really nakaka-catch sa for the nation and for our Aguila, the only Vice President Sara Duterte.
Ma'am, as an ordinary Filipino citizen, how would you describe yung pinagdadaanan ngayon ni Vicky Sara?
Grabe, she is really an admirable, strong person. No? Imagine of all the pangbabato sa kanya ng mga issues under the impeachment. You can still see her very beautiful and strong. Parang walang nangyayari, and that is really inspiring, no? Nakaka-motivate to support her kasi hindi mo siya nakitaan ng pagka wala ng pag-asa. That's why we truly admire her.
Ma'am, ano po ang mensahe niyo? Coming from the Visayas to the Vice President.
Coming from the Visayas to the Vice President, VP, sa Cebuano, padayon lang, please do more for our nation kasi we need you. Ikaw yung nakitaan namin na truly strong person, good leadership tulad ng Tatay Digong or Daddy mo to stand for the nation. So continue lang po. We are here, the Visayas, the Region 7, the Sara All Confederation movement to support you all the way. Laban lang.
Thank you. Okay na, sir.
Parang mix na si Eva's brother dito sa Bisaya.
Okay lang yun. Daghan Bisaya sa Manila. Why problema, ma'am?
We know that it's very taboo for Cebuano
Yes.
sa Tagalog.
Yes.
So, hindi na natin mag-adjust.
Okay
Sige na
lang.
lang, sige na lang.
90%. Yes, ma'am. May translation naman eh. Bisaya naman diritanan, ma'am. Kaya why problema. Si Sir lang Tagalog. Ay, kasabot ka gamay. Bisaya kayo, ma'am.
Okay. I am Christine Takahashi of Region 7 Sara All Confederation. We are here with the team supporting the Aguila ng Pilipinas, and I want to say congratulations to their very successful event tonight. That keeps us very inspired, no, and to support more the Duterte.
Thank you. Okay lang yun, ma'am. Mag-English ko.
Okay.
Kaya pang international na nin, ma'am.